possession. Group 2. Ato. Pass to Don. Don. To Bossy. No good. Rebound by Mark. Pull up. 2 points. Rebound by Mark Miranda. And 2 points for Mark Miranda. Rebound by Mark Miranda. Yeah. Reyes. Pass to Cuenco. Cuenco. To Reyes. Reyes shoots. No good. Rebound by Mineral. Ato. Pass to Don. Don. Balik kay Ato. Ato. Fix. Pass to Bossy. Back to Don. Back to Bossy for 3. Bang! 3 points by Bossy. Assisted by Don. Marcus on the drive. No good. Rebound by Ato. To Ian. Back to Ato. To Don. Don. He wants the ball. Crosses the time. Half-court line. Pass to Ato. Ato for 3. No good. Airball. Rebound by Gala. Nice set by Bossy. Assisted by
nakarami
Bossy. Cabrera. Score. 7-0. In favor of Group 2. Oh. Out of bounds. Turnover. Don, nagmamadali. Pass to Miranda. Steal. No. Punta kay Gala. Steal by Marcus. Steal by Peñaquel. Steal. Counter steal. By Don. Gonzalez. The almost quadruple guy. Pass to Bossy. Pass to Miranda. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Olsen. Olsen. To Peñaquel. Loses the ball. Take over by kicking by kicking now. Kicking violation. Ball is back to Group 4. Reyes breaks down the ball. Pass to Olsen. Olsen goes inside. Shoots. No good. Rebound by Sales. Foul. Traveling violation now. Called by birthday boy. Every Samaw.
Kinantampe, no?
Ball back to Group 4. Don.
Ay.
Steven, dancing, shoot for 3. No good. Rebound by Ato. Ito na. Pass to Miranda. Miranda. Regains control. Kicks out to Don. Side step. Back to Bossy. Bossy shoots. 2 points. Time out. Time out ulit. Time out. Group 4. Early time out by Group 4. Time remaining 7 minutes and 23 seconds for our first quarter. 40 minutes to go.
Tignan mo naman, ang ganda ng ulo ng baby. Di ba? Bilog na bilog.
Yung tatay niya ni Calvo. Ay, yung tatay siya na. Pihiraman ng Andrew ng sapatos.
Ah, okay.
Hello. Where are going?
Okay, back to the ball game.
You want to
Reyes to... Malamig pa. Kapapasok lang. Malamig pa si...
Ano naman yung sarili?
Si Goy. Gonzalez. Pass to Bossy. Pass to Mark. Miranda shoots. Shooter down. By Miranda. Score 11-0. Di ba nakakabasket ang aming grupo? Inside to Olsen. Steal by Sales. Sales drives. Pass to Miranda. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Steven Cuenco. Cuenco. Francis. Ang bola ni Miranda. Miranda drives. Shoots. Foul. Good by referee Daniela. On si Cuenco. First personal foul. First team foul. 16 seconds to shoot. Ay, 2 shots pala. 2 shots, pare. 2 shots, 2 shots.
Parang hirap na gamitin ito.
First one, no good. Pagod ka, pagod, pagod. Last shot, last free throw. Shooter's bound by Miranda. Score, 12-0. Makakabasket na kaya ang group board. With 6 minutes and 37 seconds to go. Olsen in the paint. Kicks out to Marcus. Marcus drive, shoots. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sales. Sales, rebound doon. Doon. So, Ato. Balik kay Ato, balik kay Sales. Sales, thinks about it. Pass to Galang, shoots. No good, rebound by Reyes. Eugene Reyes. Oh. Take over by Marcus. Marcus. Steve by Ato. Steve, Ato ito. Drives. Nakita ng tuwang. Pinasay Galang. Shoots. 2 points by Galang. Assisted by Ato. Rilao. That's 3 assists for you, Mr. Rilao. 3 assists. Koy. To Marcus. Vince. Koy shoots. No good. Rebound by Koy. Rebound by Koy. Fake shoots. Foul. And 1. Foul by Galang. Pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul for group 2. Bonus shot for Mr. Koy. Pilar. Basket count. And 1. Score 14-13. 5 minutes and 9 seconds to go. Posing for 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Eugene Reyes. Rebound. Aras by Miranda and Ato. Nakuha ni Koy. Pinyanin kay Eugene. Eugene for 3. No good. Short. Rebound by Gala. Ian. Rebound by Ian Gala. Here comes Don. Dolong pass. Out. Out of bounds. Turnover. Ball back to group 4. Hindi daw, sabi ni Koy. Kaya kay Marcos. Marcos. To Eugene. To Steven. Waits. Back to Koy. Koy shoots. No good. Rebound by Ato. Rebound Ato. Ato drives. Waits. Pass to Mark. Balik kay Ato. No good. Rebound by Olsen. Here comes Steven. Steven crosses into half-court line. Pass to Koy. Koy. Loves to. Masyadong malakas. Nesting ni Galang.
Sa lang tumitira.
Touchdown! 2 points by Miranda. Touchdown pass by Galang. Assist.
Ano na?
Ibinato na yung ball.
Here comes Koy. Hits to Marcus. Drives. Loves to Olsen. Olsen. Shoot. Go. Marcus. Shoots. No good. Rebound by Ato. Outlet pass to Bosi. Left shot. No good. Rebound by Bosi. Kicks out to Koy. Steal. Steal by Koy. Koy. Shoots. 2 points by Koy.
Okay na naman ang papasok.
Don. Pass to Miranda. Shoots. No good. Rebound by Jacob. Kicks out to Koy. Koy. Aras by Miranda. Koy. Shoots. No good. Rebound by Ato. Ato. Rebound ulit. Shoots over Olsen. No good. Rebound by Ato. Shoots again. 2 points by Ato. Third down. 2 rebounds. Eugene thinks about it. Drives. Boom. Galing sa akin. Ewan wala. Outlet pass to Miranda. Left-handed layup. Shoot. 2 points. Assist by Bossy. Assist by Roy. Cabrera. Inside to Olsen. Marcus right. Reverse. No good. Rebound by Don. Fast break. Ganda ng pasa ni Gonzalez. 2 points by Ato. Down. By Don. 1 minute and 50 seconds for our first quarter. Score is 22-5. Steven, as for the ball, shoots a 3. No good. Rebound by Bossing. Outlet to Miranda. Miranda shoots. Yes. 2 points by Miranda. Seized by Bossing. Boy. Cross the half-court line. Pasa kay Eugene. Natapik ni Sabret. Bossing out. Kuya E. Roy to Roy. And also now, Josh E. Keeper lang. To Eugene. Pinalik. Steal. Steal by Ato. Steal by Koy. Kicks out kay Steven. Steven, goes down. Wala. Rebound by Gala. Ian. Saglit lang daw. Sabi ni Don. Rebound Gala. Ian.
Abol.
Inis kami na. Assist by Don Sanes. Reyes. Reyes shoots a 3. Reyes, 3 points. Assist by Koy. Dole from the left. Stops and traveling. Score 26-8 with 46 seconds to go for our first quarter. Here comes Koy. Koy calls the play, but Eugene fakes, attacks the basket. Drop to Marcus. Marcus. All good now, all good. Shot clock is running. Alright, to Moy. To Eugene. Eugene drinks, fakes, loses the ball. It's same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Shoots for 3 points. Wala. Ibon ni Sanes. Sanes. Tumiranda. Balik kay Sanes daw. Balik Sanes to ato. 17 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. For 3. No good. Rebound. No good. It's the start of our second quarter. Score is 26-8. 18-point lead by Group 2. It is Group 1. Pagkain. Boy. Wala. Air ball. Rebound by Serena. Brian. Rebound Brian. 5-10. Benzano, 5-10. 2. Lasate. Shoot. No good. Overshoot it. To Marcus. To G. To tatay. Binigay kay tatay. Ang anak mo tatay. Binigay kay by, who's that? Number 26. Reyes. First personal. Yeah. Alright, back to the score 27 to 8. Rebound by Tatay. By Tatay Roy. Pass to Don. 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 Takes to Robin. Robin takes. Shoots. Strikes. Nice fake and drive. 2 points para sa atin. Kahit lamang na po siya sa scoring sa amin. Foul down. Who's foul there? Brian, pareha. And basket. Foul. Score 29-11. 8 minutes and 20 seconds to go for the first half. Sales. To Elgin. Elgin drives. Libre. 2 points by Elgin Guimara. Assisted by Don Sales. Yes. Sa lefty. Oh! Pushing foul by Tatay Ibarra. Roy. Second person foul by Roy. Ilan siya? Second out. Second out. Second out. Wala kang nalalaman dyan. Pagkatuloy yung tayo. Ilang team foul? Second team foul. Ano? O, isa lang. To Marcus, in and out, no. Marcus again. By Marcus, 2 points by Marcus. Don. Don to Robin. Robin. Oh, crosscourt. Steal. No. Last touch by Reyes. Oy, shot clock. Nangyari. 10 seconds shot clock daw. Isa pa lang. Stand corrected. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Here you go. Sales. Hey, naman ng Sales. Kaso wala. Rebound by Marcus, shoots mo! Rebound by Gonzaga. Go pa rin! Patay ni Sales. Napunta kay Elgin. Elgin, rebound by Elgin Ibarra. Sales to Robin. Kicks out to Tatay Roy. Tatay Roy lang. Shoot! Wow! Shooting foul by number 28. Tablet. 28. With 6 minutes and 48 seconds to go for the first half. Here comes scoring. Koy. Ito si Marcus Magkat. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Brian Pareha. Rebound daw. Okay. Gonzales. Paligay. The bank is always open for Tatay Roylan. Here comes shooting for three. No good. Offensive rebound by Cory. Tag to AJ Sao, pero hindi nakampi si AJ. Here comes Gonzales. Right. Confused there. Reset to Brian Pareha. Pareha for three. No good. Rebound. Offensive rebound by Tatay Roy. Tatay Roylan, cross court, to doon. Fake. Solo pass to Brian. Brian mid-range. No good. Rebound ni AJ, wala. Rebound ni Koy. Koy, nagmamadali. Sa 3-on-1. Shoot. No good pa rin. Rebound by Gonzales. Sub daw, sabi. Ni Koy. 17 seconds to shoot. Kicks out sa Tatay Roylan. Balikin doon. Doon. Pinalikin na Tatay Roylan. Fakes, shoots. Block by Olsen. Rebound. Rebound by Olsen. Here comes Pareha for three. No good. It is 24-second shot clock violation. Stop. Stop. 34-13, 21-point lead by Group 2 with 5 minutes and 9 seconds to go for the game, for the first half, I mean. Peñafer to Steven. Steven against Covetero. Steven, that's it. Steven, napa din. Lawin sa Tatay Roylan against Steven. Steven, drive, shoots. No good. Rebound by Gonzales. Gonzales, three. Let's steal to Marcus. Marcus drives. Loses the ball. Steal by Brian Pareha. Brian, miscommunication by Pareha and Nasate. Turnover. Balik ang bola sa ating group 2. Ay, group 4. Steven brings down the ball. Steven against Tatay Roylan. With a screen from Olsen. Tumira si Steven, wala. Rebound by Marcus. Foul. Who's foul yet? Number 14, LG Guevara. LG with first personal foul. 3-team foul by Group 2. Marcus Peñafiel will shoot 2 free throws. First shot. Nasobra sa snowboarding si Peñafiel. Masyadong maloko. Ay, 2 shots pa? Lane violation daw. Lane violation called by referee Sabaw. Wala pa din.
Hoy, trouble. Hoy, step in.
Texas, pareha. Sales. Team pa rin Brian. Recent shot clock daw, sabi ni Sales. Taxi pareha. Shoot. Go, good. Rebound by Josh. Josh to Benjamin. Marcus to Steven. Dribbling violation by Cinquenco. Balik ang bola sa group 2. Score 34-15 with 2 minutes and 55 seconds to go. Pareha. Next ni Marcus. Steal. Marcus. Right. Shoot. Left-handed. Wala. Ay, di na. Foul down. Sino foul ulit? Number 12. By Don Sales. Sales with 4 personal. First personal and 4 team fouls. Isa lang. 4 team fouls. First personal fouls. Two shots for Marcus Benjamin. First shot is good. Second free throw. Short na naman. Masyadong lobo, Marcus. Sales. Ginagawa ang bola. Sales. Tatay. Sabi ko ganun Tatay Roylan. Gusto balik kay Sales. Sales. Oh, there you go. I think ni Marcos. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. To Melo. Melo for 3. No good. Rebound by Marcos. Midway po. This is the ball. Turnover. Balik ang bola sa group 2. 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go for the first half. Tatay, wala na yun. Saradang bangko. Okay, balikay ko yung bola. Between the legs. Hinitignan dito. Si Steven for 3. Short. Rebound by. Oh, wala. Same ball daw, sabi nila yung may sabaw. Shot clock to 14 seconds. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Dali lang daw. Okay, ba't naman? Okay na. 10 seconds to shoot. Andrew, for 3. Wala, rebound by Marcus. Tumakan ulit. Marcus, 2 points. Offensive rebound by Marcus Benjamin. Okay, Sales crosses the time of the half of 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Robin for 3. Wala. Rebound by Marcus. Marcus to Steven drives, pass. Nasa pick 4 ni Gonzalez. 19 singles. 19 seconds on the shot clock. To Steven for 3. No good. Rebound by Tayo Pareha. To Sales. Sales with 4 assists and 6 rebounds. Binalik kay Pareha. 3 balls. Wala. Balik to Sales. Traveling violation by Sales. Marcus. Steal by Melo. Melo. Holds the ball. Ibigay kay Takay Relan. Melo. Gonzales. Kanino ba na yan? 2. Melo. 3. Tumira. Wala magkahanap siya ng foul. Wala ng foul. Rebound kay Andrew. Goes straight to the basket. Balik kay Koy. Koy, shoot. Wala. Rebound kay Kaya. Out at the three. Pareha. Melo. Killing out. No way. And that's the end of the first half. Score is 34-8.